Choosing books for teens is tricky. They're ready for deeper stories but still need worlds filled with wonder, imagination, and hope. Here are 8 powerful fantasy and adventure books from NOOL Library that keep teens hooked and inspired. This is the gateway series for so many teens. Percy Jackson mixes humor, adventure, friendships, and mythology in a way that gets even reluctant readers addicted. A brilliant next step after Percy. Strong brother-sister dynamic, easy language, and high-paced chapters. This series has become a blockbuster among teens. It's emotional, dramatic, and packed with twists. If your teen loves creatures, war stories, and strong world building, this series is a must-read. This Indian origin author reshapes fairy tales with a very dramatic fantasy school twist. A smart, wholesome adventure for kids who love solving problems or who enjoy a slightly slower, thoughtful pace. This is perfect for readers who want big imagination without complex language. Welford is a master at creating emotional sci-fi that's still safe and inspiring for young teens. All these books are available at NOOL Library. If your teen hasn't found their reading style yet, these series are the perfect start. We deliver across Bangalore. Simply sign up, tell us your child's age, and we'll match books that fit them perfectly.